Alright guys, this is what it is. Well, this is the final installation for these rotor brakes. Like I said earlier, I don't know if it's the same size the brake rotors for the DX, because this Civic is a EX, it's a project car, it's automatic. Yeah, somebody will bashing me, it's automatic. It's a project car, yeah. Project car, you don't care. And a daily car also. And I have my Subaru X, it's a full wall mount. And it's over here, sitting here. A weekend car. And I'm not a hater. I love old cars. And I have a Civic before. And reliable car. Saying the Subaru is not, it depends how you drive. It depends how you take care of your car. You will last. And the Civic known for good gas mileage. And yeah, this two screwdriver. I have an impact wrench or screwdriver. It's over there. You can get this on Harbor Freight for like $10. I forgot. It's been like 8 years with me already. And yeah, that's what it is. And now I have to bleed the brakes to make it sure. I did already the back and going in the front. Alright. Here help you guys. Thanks.